You are soft, and it is not entirely your fault. Modern society has engineered you to be weak, predictable, and incredibly easy to control. Look around you. We live in an era of absolute comfort. Infinite dopamine in your pocket, cheap pleasures delivered to your door, and endless entertainment designed to numb your brain. You think this is progress? The ancient Spartans would call it a prison. The Spartans understood a dangerous psychological truth that we have completely forgotten. Comfort is a slow, silent poison. It breeds complacency, anxiety, and a fragile mind that shatters at the first sign of real pressure. When King Lycurgus forged the laws of ancient Sparta, he didn't just ban luxury, he made it a disease. Spartans slept on hard wooden beds, bathed in freezing rivers, and ate the most basic rations. Not because they lacked wealth, but because they knew a fundamental law of human nature. The moment you become attached to comfort, you become a slave to whoever provides it. So, what is the solution for the modern man trapped in this padded cell of society? The answer is voluntary suffering. You must actively introduce micro-adversity into your daily life. If there is an elevator, take the stairs. Turn the warm water freezing cold. Lift iron that breaks you down. Starve your brain of social media, and force yourself to sit in absolute uncomfortable silence. This is not about mindless physical punishment. It is about psychological dominance. You are training your brain to stop running away from friction. When you voluntarily choose the hard path every single day, the unpredictable tragedies of life can no longer destroy you. You stop fearing hardship because you have made it your closest ally. The man who masters his own suffering is the only man who is truly free. Choose the hard path today, or society will choose the weak path for you.